Alberta's COVID-19 hospitalizations breaking the 200 mark Friday, up to 221. And the new daily case counts continue to be high, 749 Friday, down from 817 Thursday. And as we see the numbers climb higher to anything we've seen in months, Albertans are anxiously waiting to hear from our elected officials. No details from Premier Jason Kenney, his office confirming he's on holidays, but still in communication with his cabinet.
And I don't begrudge him taking some time off.
No one taking issue with the Premier taking time off, but the opposition NDP still calling for someone in government to address the issue.
He has a number of people who could be speaking to the people of Alberta about his government's intentions or plans.
Health Minister Tyler Shandro, not available today, also on vacation.
The problem is that we have both the Premier and the Health Minister apparently unavailable at a time when Albertans have a lot of very serious questions.
Political scientist Laurie Williams questioning how the top two elected officials tasked with the pandemic can both be away at a time when Alberta doctors are still waiting on modeling to show what the province expects for the fourth wave and the Delta variant, leaving questions about whether our healthcare system will need to adjust to respond to rising hospitalizations. Just a few months ago, during reopening, the Premier was asked what would happen if hospitalizations were to go up with widespread provincial case counts.
We just don't see that scenario. This, as I said, our intention, this is open for good.
Albertans both for and against restrictions, wondering if that statement still stands as they prepare for the fall.
The strategy seems to be avoid the tough questions in the hopes that they'll go away, but that strategy hasn't worked effectively in the past. It's simply raised more questions. I mean, we've seen more than once Twitter hashtags wondering where the Premier is.
Well, in the past, these questions would be passed on to Dr. Hinshaw with no regular in-person updates from the top doctor. Her Twitter account sharing statistics showing that the majority of new cases are amongst the unvaccinated. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.